everyone, I am Professor Rocca, the director of the NPR International Academy. It is a great pleasure for me to invite all of you to the exclusive and transformative workshop this Friday, 8 p.m. Madrid time, taking place in our virtual room of our web application, a private environment for all medical sciences. A private environment for all our international community. This is the way we study in our school, and in that workshop we will talk about some specific topic, that is T.M.Js and posture. How T.M.Js interfere with the posture and how posture interferes with the T.M.Js. Registration of this particular workshop, it is free. You don't have to pay for that, but registration it is mandatory, because when you are registered, if for any reason, in our life there is any imprevisible moment, and if you cannot stay with us live, you will receive the recorder of the workshop and you can see it at home later, only for people who register in our link and in our web application. What we will talk in this particular workshop, we were talking about the whole T.M.J, functionality, dysfunction, T.M.J disorders, and how that can create problem to our posture, and also how the posture can create posture alteration, obviously, can create problems to the T.M.Js. That will be a fantastic webinar, a free webinar, a lot of free information you will have in that fantastic webinar. We can understand how the job position can create problem to the T.M.Js and how that can create problem to the whole body. Don't miss that opportunity. This is a unique opportunity, it's a free opportunity. And the good thing is you can stay with us. You can communicate in our virtual room. You will have a live experience. You can make questions, doubts, and you can make your opinion, obviously. And the most important thing is, when you are in the web application, you will be part of our international community. We have a huge people all around the world, and when you are in, you will provide a lot of free videos, a lot of free information, and obviously you will see our information and the payment in the web app. But the most important thing, you have a free material for you, and you will be informed for all our news in our academy. It is a fantastic opportunity, don't miss it. Free registration, live, and also if you cannot stay there, you will receive a recorder. And also the people who are in live, they will also receive the recorder to listen anytime you want, every time of the day. Register is very simple. You click in the link, just put your name, your email, and your password, you are in automatically, and you will receive the advertisement on Friday when the workshop will start. This fantastic workshop, this fantastic webinar about anatomy, physiology, symptomatology, connection between body and craniofacial system, how the T.M.Js is part of the craniofacial system, how start the dysfunction, and obviously a roughly approachment to the treatment. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a fantastic opportunity for all of you, for all people who want to deal with T.M.Js. Dentists, medical doctors, physiotherapists, osteopaths. all medical sciences are invited to this fantastic webinar. I give you 3 reasons to be with us. The first one, this workshop will give you a develop of your practice with new skills, with fresh perspective, with more knowledge in your daily practice. That is very important. Second one, professional advancement. Whether you are looking to advance in your career, that's the opportunity. That's the opportunity to have more concepts, more tools in diagnosis and therapy. And I think the third and very important is to build a community. When you are in, you can build a community. You have in our web application, you have discussion forums, you can talk with experts, you can see a lot of material for you, and that I think is a very good reason to be part of our community around the world. And really I'm very excited to have a lot of you in our webinar and to participate directly with me. I will be the speaker of that webinar. I have a lot of experience in the field, and I have more than 40 years of experience, and I will try to transmit in that webinar with passion all that information. I wait for you 26th of July, Friday at 8 p.m. Madrid time. I hope I will see a lot of you in that webinar, and we can be together in the future. Also, for new webinars, for new information, for new free videos in our web application. See you on Friday. Don't miss the opportunity. Register now and be with us in the future of medical sciences.